Off the coast of South Africa, dolphins are on the hunt. They have found a cold water current and are now travelling along it looking for food. Gannets follow them. They know that doing so is the fastest way to a meal. A shoal of mackerel, just what the dolphins have been looking for. They encircle the fish, driving them into a bait ball, and then trap them against the surface to prevent them from escaping to deeper water. Now the fish are within range of the dive-bombing gannets, who hit the water at 50 miles an hour. A sudden gathering of thousands of predators brought together by the flow of currents. Last to the feast are sharks. In these vast open waters, finding food would be all but impossible without currents. The highways of the seas that bring this life together. When the bait ball has been dispersed, all that is left are scales drifting downwards.